The Philippine boxing team delivered an impressive performance after capturing 2 gold medals and 1 bronze at the 63rd Belgrade Winter Elite Men's and Women's Boxing Tournament held in Serbia. Clark Becerra led the country's campaign effort, dominating the men's flyweight 50-kilogram division. Becerra opened his campaign with back-to-back victories, defeating opponents from Kazakhstan and Saudi Arabia via unanimous decision to reach the semifinals, where he overcame another boxer from Kazakhstan before claiming the gold medal against a fighter from Turkey in the finals. Meanwhile, Filipino boxing veteran Riza Pasuit also shined at the women's featherweight 57-kilogram class. Pasuit won her first 2 bouts against opponents from Canada and Greece before securing the gold medal in the finals against Turkey. Paul Julifer Bascon also contributed to the Philippines medal haul after winning a bronze medal in the men's lightweight 60-kilogram category following a semifinal loss to a boxer from Cuba.
Una po, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord pa rin kasi hindi ako pinabahan sa laban. Tapos, sobrang saya ko kasi nakuha ko na yung gold medal. Saya ko sa performance ko kasi ayos ang nagawa ko. At sa mga sumuport ko sa akin, maraming salamat sa inyo. Tsaka sa mga coaches ko pa rin lalo. Salamat ako. Kita-kits sa Netherlands.
Lord, salamat so much sa medalya, Lord, na hiniling ko talaga sa inyo. Talagang binigyan niyo sa akin. And then salamat sa event na to, sa malaking bagay po ito para sa akin, sa nagiging experience ko. First year po na abroad namin to. Malaking nagiging challenge din. And then sa pagkakat ng timbang, masyadong challenges. And then abangan nyo kami sa next laban namin papuntang Netherlands. Andun din kami.